So I saw Main Image advertised both on the internet and on billboards, and it caught my eye because it talked about people that have hair loss and hair restoration. I have alopecia, and so something that's been progressing through the last couple of years, and I'm a big customer of extensions, hair extensions, and so just recently moving to Indiana from Houston, I heard about Main Image, and even my hair salon that I was getting, my prior hair salon that was giving me my extensions had said, hey, you may want to think about going there. So actually my stepson, who has a receding hairline, said to me one day, hey, I saw this place and I'm going to go there for a consultation, and would you like to join me? And I thought, what a great way for us to bond on something that we both have in common. We came, we met with Leslie, and I was immediately comfortable and just felt like I knew I was here there were some solutions here for me. I started talking with Leslie and got a hair piece, got interested in talking about the system that's here, ordered that, and then also have my hair extensions done here. And it's been amazing. It's been life-changing. I just feel like, not that I want to go back to my 30s, I want to be in my 50s. I'm 51 and I want to be the great 51-year-old with high self-esteem, and I feel like that's who I am. And I love the way they are here. They're professional, they're dedicated, just perfectionists, and it's been the best quality extensions, and the hair system is amazing.